Welcome back to BUI Migration Made Easier. Here we're going to talk about simplifying your third-party data integrations using PopFlow Studio. In this short video, we'll show you how easy you can integrate your third-party data using OpenMethods PopFlow. Using the HTTPS activity, you can simply add in your database URL and security headers. Then, by using the PopFlow test harness, you can add your test data, click the Send button, and PopFlow will run a request pulling back data from your system. Here you can see the data the test pulled back, including the database field names. Now that we have this data, how do we display it for the agents? As we come back to our workflow, you can see that we've added the Pop Search and Select activity and added some of the database fields we saw in the test data. Now by running a test, we can see the information displayed for the agent in Pop Search and Select. Now that we have our information displayed, let's add some buttons and activities to help with agent utilization. Coming back to our workflow, you can see in our Pop Search and Select that we've added buttons to trigger new events and activities. If we look at our workflow, we can see the triggers and activities that have been added to each of the buttons. From here, we can run a test and then flip over to Oracle Service Cloud to see the results. Here you can see Pop Search and Select and the buttons we've added. To utilize these buttons, simply choose a row and click the button needed. For here, we see an image example. If we wanted, we could go ahead and choose another row and simply track the shipment. And now the agent can see the tracking information without ever leaving the screen. The last button we added, Send Tracking Info. This button allows the agent to send the tracking information via SMS to the customer with a simple click. And that's how simple it is to not only integrate third-party data, but allow the agents to utilize the information. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time when we discuss design, test, iterate, and deploy easier with PopFlow Studio.